In your Shopify homepage, first go to Apps and add an app. Go to the Shopify App Store, search for Gaindor, and install it. If you have already installed it, just click Open, and it will open the Gaindor Trivia Quiz dashboard. This is the dashboard. Here you can see the impressions, total signups, sign-up rate, conversion rate, and total revenue shown on the dashboard. It also shows the current plan you are on, along with the impressions consumed. Next is the analytics chart. When you click Create New Widget, you can choose any of these widgets. I'm choosing the Trivia Widget. First, click Add Coupon or Modify Coupon, whichever is present. You can set up the coupon as you like. Then, you have to select the categories of the quiz that you want to create. You can choose any category and click Select All, or you can select particular questions. You can also create a custom category and add your own questions, and they are all auto-saved. In the next tab, you have the email settings. For email settings to be enabled, you need to be on a basic plan or premium plan. The next tab is How It Works, which contains instructions to enable the app block. We have to activate the app block, so click this button to open the theme editor. In the top left corner, you will see the App Embed button. Enable the Gaindor widget and click Save. The last step for setting up the Trivia widget is to go to the product page. Here, click Add Section, select Apps, and then click Gaindor Trivia Quiz. You will see that the app has been enabled. The widget settings will be loaded on the right-hand side. You have options to edit your widget. You can alter the text on the widget however you wish. You can also change the card background color, text colors, and more. There is even a skip button, and the font family can be altered to match your store's font. To alter the position of the Trivia widget, all you have to do is drag the block and place it wherever you like. Here, I am placing it just below the buy buttons so that customers will notice the widget once it has been enabled. To test it, simply open your store and refresh the page to see the widget on your website. You can sign up and see that it also directly applies to the cart. Now, let's check the Shopify admin. In the Gaindor app, you'll see that the impressions and email metrics have changed. Thank you. See you in the next one.